45 rue Labelle. Welcome to 1245 rue Labelle here in Mont-Tremblant. Je m'appelle Jonathan et je suis courtier immobilier. I'm Jonathan and I'm a real estate broker. In this video, I'm going to walk us around the outside of the property and then through the inside of the condo to show you all the elements that make this property exceptional. Dans cette vidéo, je vais faire le tour de l'extérieur de la propriété et ensuite l'intérieur pour vous montrer tous les éléments qui rendent ce condo exceptionnel. I'm starting the video here on Rue Labelle. So this is the road between, one of the roads between the resort of Tremblant, which is in that direction, and the town, which is in this direction. Only about a kilometer that way is the beginning of the town, and the resort is about 5 kilometers in the other direction. So we are smack in the middle of the resort and the main town. There are 5 buildings. There is an umbrella syndicate for the 5 of them, but they each have their individual syndicates. Our condo unit in question is this one right here, number 3 of 1245. So coming into the complex here, you can see in the middle of all of them, as I'm sure you've seen in the aerial footage, is this very nice pool, super well maintained, beautiful little pool, small area to come and have some lunch or some dinner out here by the pool. Hasn't been set up, it's early June, so the tables and whatnot haven't been put out. There you have the pool area. This is our building. The roof was redone on this building last year, 2018. Really well maintained building, Canexel siding. All the gutter work is well done. It is a single story or a 2-story, but there is no basement. So no water infiltration issues. We are right at ground level here. These are the 2 parking spaces right out front here for this unit. And so let's head on inside. Now the first thing you'll notice as I step in here is the size of this entrance. It's really nice, big entrance. I count 3, 6, 8, so it's about 10 by 10. Just judging by the tiles here on the floor. Nice big space here, room for skis, for bikes, whatever you want. A nice big closet here. For jackets and whatnot, but really, truly remarkable that this place was built with such a feature that today with Ironman, with all the bikes we have, all the skis we have, is really sought after feature. And then we step into the main part of the condo here. Kitchen to my left. Very nice, spacious kitchen for this condo. Kitchen looks out onto the parking lot. Nice melamine doors that look like an oak, a maple finish. Lots of cabinet space. A room to hang pots and pans up here in the middle. Sort of a nice feature. And then dining room. The majority of the condo is carpeted, so it's a very industrial, sort of low pile carpet, very typical of this type of condo. So let's just take a look back here. Entrance and kitchen. Nice dining room here. Nice little dining room table. Room for 6 or 8. Really quite easily 8 people on that table. And then little living room here. So actually, it's not that little. It's a sizable living room. Nice real wood burning fireplace in the corner. I haven't lit it. I will light it for the photos, but I haven't lit it for the video. And so there you have it. Nice main living space. And then back here is a nice balcony. So right at ground level, quiet space back here. You can see other people have set their patios up back here. So there you go. Really nice place, room back here to have a barbecue. Obviously not big enough for kids to come play back here, but there are parks nearby. There's the pool out front, obviously. So yeah, really just a space to go and eat outside, enjoy some sunshine on the southeast part of the building. So powder room here again, nice large powder room, simple room, but very well appreciated. And then upstairs to the bedroom. So again, carpet on the stairs. Come up here, and to my right there are 2 bedrooms, one there, and straight ahead the first bathroom. So sink, toilet, closed-in shower here. Everything's in very good condition. Really impeccable condition, very clean, very well maintained. And the 2 bedrooms here, again, 2 very nice, simple bedrooms. These ones look out over the balcony. There it is. See the other one, and same thing here. Nice rounded corners on the gyprock. Nice finishing touches. Lots of pine doors, pine moldings. And here you have what would be considered the master bedroom. So master bedroom has its own bathroom. Again, full bathroom. This one has a tub. The other one's just a shower. And also to be noted is the high ceilings up here on the second floor. High ceilings in all the rooms. 2 closets here at the back of the room, and a storage space. Whoop, that's locked, but there's a storage space behind there. So there you have apartment 3 on 1245 Rue Labelle. Thanks for watching.